Hey guys, so in today's video, I wanted to go over a couple of the really ugly truths of the roofing contractor industry. So in today's video, we're going to go over 5 of the ugly truths of the roofing contracting industry. These are things that we see on a daily basis that cause homeowners to have bad experience with a roofing contractor. Currently, right now, on the Better Business Bureau, roofing contractors are the #1 most complained about industry in America, and that is because there's a lack of knowledge and there's a lack of communication. So the first thing we're going to go over is that most contractors have very little experience in installing the products and managing the projects. A lot of the roofing contractors come from sales, and they start their own company, and so they're selling. And then it gets to the point where they have to produce this work, and then all of a sudden there's not really a strategy in place, or there's not really a good process for them to be able to handle the volume of work that they've sold and do quality control on it and make sure that they're doing a good job. And so as a result, a lot of things slip through the cracks, and homeowners get a raw deal, and then they feel like they were slighted. And it's a huge problem in the industry. So that's the first one. The second one is most contractors lack knowledge, and so it leads them to make recommendations on how to repair damage or how to move forward, and they wind up causing more harm than good. So if you don't know that products aren't compatible with each other, and you go up there and repair a roof with a shingle that's not compatible with the shingles that are currently on the roof, well, if that roof was under warranty, you just voided the warranty. And you also probably just hurt the homeowner's chances down the line of, if they do have to file an insurance claim for storm damage. Well, now there's 2 different types of shingles on the roof. It's not one roof assembly. So you just create a bunch of problems purely by not knowing that you can't repair a roof with a non-compatible product. So that's that's one of the biggest ones in the industry that we see all the time. Get on roofs all the time and see shingles that definitely don't match with each other. They're different size, their sealant are in different place, they're different manufacturers, all kinds of stuff like that. Number 3, most contractors are not certified with the manufacturer. So Big Time Roofing is certified with GAF, we're a GAF certified installer, but most contractors out there do not have a certification with the manufacturer that they're installing, meaning that the manufacturer of the products has not given their endorsement on that company saying, hey, I know this company is competent, I know they know how to install it, I know that they're going to go through these quality control checks that we recommend. And so as a result, there's a lot of corners that are cut. So when you're going through a process with a contractor, you should make sure that they're certified through the manufacturer in whatever type of product they're going to be installing. Number 4, 95% of contractors go out of business within the first 3 years. There's a couple of reasons for that. Primarily, it's because they don't charge enough for their work. They're always in a race to the bottom, trying to outcompete everyone else. And so as a result, they wind up in a situation where they can't service the homeowners that they do land the jobs for correctly. So they have to cut corners, their quality of work goes down, their reviews go down, and then they wind up out of business. Sometimes there's also personal things, they start making a little bit of money, get a little bit of success, go buy a boat instead of reinvesting back in the company. So you always want to make sure that the contractor they're working with has a good head on their shoulders, a good reputation, and that you think that if they're offering you a 5-year workmanship warranty, that they're going to be around in 5 years to actually, fulfill that 5-year workmanship warranty. It's a huge problem in the industry. And number 5, most roofing companies do not train their field guys at all. So at Big Time Roofing, we have a week and a half long training program that is basically takes you from zero knowledge about roofing to being able to identify products and know the components of a roof, know the different types of roofs, know everything that you really need to know about roofing from a sales perspective. A lot of companies out there, seriously, will say, here's a t-shirt, go start knocking on doors. And so you'll have guys out there knocking on doors, going through the scripts that they gave them that have zero product knowledge, zero knowledge about roofing. And yeah, you can sell roofs that way, but that's a great recipe for bad customer service because they don't really know anything about it. And two, just having a bad look on your company. If you're trying to sell something and you don't know anything about it, there's going to be questions that come up that aren't going to be able to get answered. And so that's a bad look. So those are really the top things that give the roofing industry a bad name in from my perspective. So I hope you learned something today. If you did, please consider us following us on TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn. That's at Big Time Roof LLC on all of those. You can also pop over to our YouTube page. We publish all videos like this, teaching about insurance claim, product knowledge, product comparison, all that kind of stuff. And you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us one of those thumbs up. Those likes help us a lot. So hope you guys have a great day.